back, we have the epaxial muscle. That's this entire structure here. So here's spinous process of the lumbar vertebra. All of this is epaxial, okay? Behind epaxial, we have the superficial gluteal muscle, which is this one. It's very thin. Cranial to the superficial gluteal, we have the middle gluteal, which is this large one. I've reflected back the middle gluteal. If you look down in there, that bright white, that is all deep gluteal muscle. Okay, so we have deep, middle, and superficial gluteal. Cranial to the middle gluteal, we have the tensor muscle. Then we have this large muscle here, which is the biceps femoris muscle. Underneath the biceps femoris, we have the sciatic nerve. Behind that, we have the semitendinosus muscle. Okay. On the front side, we have the vastus lateralis muscle. All right. Then if we open the leg up and kind of roll him on his back a little bit. We have our, what I call our two bacon strips. This is the sartorius muscle. So we have this and this as sartorius. Underneath sartorius, we have the quadricep. So we had the vastus lateralis muscle. We have the vastus medialis muscle. The rectus femoris runs down the center. And underneath the rectus femoris, we have the vastus intermedius. So this is the hot dog bun with the hot dog inside. That is the quadriceps themselves. This thin muscle here, this is gracilis. Underneath gracilis, thank you, we have the adductor muscle. Behind the adductor, we have the the semimembranosus muscle. And so we can actually see the semimembranosus from the back side as well. The semimembranosus and semitendinosus make up the hamstring. Cranial to the adductor muscle, this small spindle-shaped one is the pectineus muscle. Then we get into the what we call the femoral triangle. Within the femoral triangle, we have the femoral vein, which is superficial, the femoral artery, which is in the middle, and then the femoral nerve, which is deep. So it goes vein, artery, nerve, superficial to deep. Okay. Down here, we have the medial saphenous vein. And so that medial saphenous vein and that femoral vein are going to tie together. Usually about mid-femur is where we consider the transition from femoral vein to medial saphenous vein. Down here on top of the hock, we have the dorsal pedal artery or the dorsal metatarsal artery. That's what this one here is. Now, I did not dissect out yet the gastrocnemius muscle, which is going to be this large muscle here on the back of the tibia and the calf region. And then we have the tibialis cranialis muscle or cranialis tibialis muscle on the front of the tibia. That is the muscles, nerves, and vasculature of the hind leg.